Hey everyone, thank you for tuning into this Excel update. In this video, we'll be going over new functionality that was released with Excel add-in version 3.22. The release of 3.22 makes the YCharts template library accessible in Excel in order to streamline research and cut back on the time it takes to download templates online. To gain access to the library in Excel, a user will have to download the newest add-in version or update to the newest add-in version. For those of you who are new here, or for those of you who need to update to that newest version, you can find the Excel add-in download by hovering over Tools at the top of the page and clicking on Excel. From here, select the Microsoft Excel bit version, either 32 or 64, and click the Download or Upgrade button. Once a user has the newest Excel add-in installed, they'll be able to download any template from the YCharts tab in Excel. To show you how this works, I'll go ahead and open a blank workbook of my own and click on the YCharts tab. Within the YCharts ribbon on the right-hand side, you'll be able to click on Templates. Once that is clicked, that will open up the template categories, and hovering over any category will allow a user to select any template in that category. After selecting one, a download will begin in the user's default browser, and from here, simply click on the download and the template will open once the download has completed. As this opens, this is really going to streamline the research for those of you who are predominantly working in Excel and may not frequent the website too often. Instead of logging into YCharts.com and navigating to the Templates tab, a user can download a template directly from any workbook on their computer. It also makes switching between templates much easier. For instance, now that I'm looking around the two-page overview and realize that this isn't the workbook that I was looking for, I can now download a separate one in just a couple of clicks. As always, if you have any questions after viewing this video, don't hesitate to contact your dedicated support representative. You can do so by heading back to YCharts.com, hovering over Support, and clicking on Contact Us.